and welcome back to Model Over 40, a place where beauty is not defined by age but elevated by experience, where confidence only grows stronger with time and elegance become a way of life. Today we introduce Youth of Women who embodies all of this and more, a presence that is both captivating and deeply inspiring. Penelope Menchaca, in a world that constantly pushes the idea that youth is everything, Menchaca stands as a powerful contradiction to that belief. She represents something far more meaningful, a kind of beauty that is not fleeting but evolving, not loud but deeply magnetic. She is not just a model, she is a symbol of self awareness, strength, and refined confidence. Her journey is not about perfection, it's all about growth, resilience, and embracing every chapter of life with grace. Because the truth is, real beauty does not fade with time, it transforms. It becomes richer in emotion, stronger in presence, and more captivating in its authenticity. Through her world on Instagram, Menchachka invites us into a space where elegance meets emotion. Every image, every moment, every expression feels intentional. There is no rush, no need to impress, only a calm, powerful confidence that speaks for itself. She does not just pose for the camera, she connects with it, and in doing so, she creates something rare, a feeling of confidence, of femininity, of being completely comfortable in your own skin. Her presence is not overwhelming, it's effortless, and that is what makes it unforgettable. When it comes to fashion, Menchaca carries a signature style that is both timeless and expressive. From following evening gown and highlighting her elegance to minimal, sophisticated, everyday look that reflect her natural grace. She proved that style is not about following trends, it's all about understanding yourself. She does not try to fit expectations, she defines them. And perhaps that is what makes her truly inspiring, because beyond the beauty, beyond the style, beyond the visuals, there is authenticity, a rare and powerful authenticity. And that is kind of beauty that never fades. Through her presence, she sends a message that resonates far beyond the screen. She reminds our life does not end at a certain number. In fact, it becomes meaningful and confident. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Model of 40 and become a part of community where timeless beauty is honored and confidence is ageless. Thanks for watching.